Craig Herrera joins us now. And Craig, you talked about how it was very difficult to find de-icing salt. And
right. I went into the store on my way to work, and they said we sold out in 20 minutes. It was their second shipment that they brought in because people are stocking up.
And you're talking pallets full of it.
Pallets full of it. And they were rationing. They had 2 per person. And so here we go. So people are preparing, which is good. But just know if you're behind, you got to get going. So let's get started. We've got a shot right now as we're looking out over Port Angeles. Some of the snow finally starting to melt, and then boom, we're going to get more tomorrow. So here's where we stand with temperatures. It has been cold, as you know, 30s right now. Here we go with the Futurecast. Again, 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. Looks like it starts to cross right from Canada, head south, and then by 8 o'clock we'll see some flurries from Everett to the north, also right around the northern slopes of the Olympics. By 12 p.m. from Tacoma to the north is when we start to see more in the snow. By the commute home, it'll be a little more widespread and pick up during the evening hours. 9 p.m. you can see quite a few bands moving right over a good part of Puget Sound. At 3 o'clock Saturday morning, still coming down. By the morning hours, we have a couple of scattered showers. We'll start to get a break by the evening hours, but then as you pass forward to Saturday, 4 p.m., I think at that point we're done. However, we've got another one to talk about into Monday, Tuesday. Question is, one model brings it right over us, which would give us another big storm. One model keeps it just off the coast. So we're going to keep the chance for snow going into next week, but we're watching just where that storm is going to set up. This is the accumulation. We'll begin Friday, and then by the time we get to 6:30, look at these numbers. To the north, 1.5 to 2 inches of snow. 6 for Everett, 4.5 for Seattle. Of course, these will fluctuate. These are estimates. We expect anywhere from 4 to 8 inches around a good portion of Puget Sound, where we have a winter storm warning. Begins tomorrow at 12 p.m., takes us through Saturday, 12 p.m. To the north, we've got a winter weather advisory where we expect 2 to 4 inches of snow. We've also got all the blue that you see here for the Cascades all the way to the Olympics, down through the south. Winter weather advisory, 6 to 10 inches possible. The wind, another part of the story. High wind watch now in place for the northwest interior. Northeast winds 20 to 40, gusts up to 60 miles per hour. I'll get going with Futurecast. 11:30 tomorrow morning. Notice up in Bellingham, 26 by 5:30 up to about 30 by the overnight hours at about 40, sticking really in that range right through the early morning hours. So we could see some power lines down as well. Here's your 7-day forecast. Again, overnights into Saturday, the heaviest of snow coming through. Mark and Lori, we'll watch that next storm system Monday, Tuesday. Right now, let's focus on this one because it's a good one. It'll really do some damage on the roads as well. Back to you.
All right, Craig.